All right, look at that. We've got our wristbands. We've got all of our wristbands, all the colors. My blue one, my lightest one is on my door, but maybe we'll get to that a little bit later. But we've got all these wristbands here that are not wristbands, but these exercise bands right here. So I really like these. You can see here, they've got different resistances. So you've got your heavy, you've got your, I don't know, whichever one this is. Oh, medium, this is medium. Then you have your very light one right here. Let's see if we can find that. Yeah, extra light. And then you have your extra heavy. And then the interesting thing here is that they have these little markers on them. And then, like I said, I have my light one is on my door because I use that in order to like help my, what is this called? Whatever this is for your shoulder, rotator cuff. I have it on the door and I just pull it like this and do like that in order to work that out. But here, these resistance bands are really amazing. You could step back and you could just do this. They've got good exercise for your back and your shoulders. You could do it like this. You could do it any way you want to. Then you can also do it like this to just get a little bit more of a different hitting your muscles a little bit differently. But I know most of these people use it for their legs, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it around my legs and show you guys what that looks like. All right, now we are down low. I'm gonna go ahead and step through this right here. Then we'll step through this right here. And so most people, I would believe, they put it like this and then you can spread it out and walk. And I can really feel the tension. I can feel the tension here, wanting to push my legs together. But if you push them out, then you're working these muscles over here, which is, this is the Instagram era. Everybody loves to do that. And so you can just walk back and forth. You could even do these in order to work out. And again, the main thing is I'm already feeling the burn right on my glutes. Let's see, right in the glutes, right over here. And you just pull in like this. A lot of people like to do their squats where they put their legs out like this to activate their glutes, and then you come down, actually seated position, 90 degrees. You can see here that's 90 degrees, and then you come up and you're squeezing the whole time in your glutes. You've got that. You could do your leg lifts like this to really activate those IT bands in the glutes. You can hear it in my voice. I'm actually kind of out of breath a little bit here, but and then also you can see my blue band right there. But and then again, I guess for my blue band, if I'm doing it, I'll just go like this for my rotator cuff. So it's attached to my doorknob, and I'm doing this for the rotator cuff like that. So that works like that. And there's just endless, you could do your little dance if you want to, like this. There's endless applications. And then if we put it down even lower to the legs, you can see here, you can just put it on your ankle, do like that. I had no idea when I made this video that I was actually going to do an impromptu workout. So this is actually really killing me right here. And I also didn't know that I was accidentally going to choose the heavy band. So that's pretty fun. But let's go ahead and bring ourselves back up to normal height here. And so I really like these. I'm actually sweating a little bit because it's summertime, it's July. I don't have air conditioning. So, hey, that's what you get when you're making real review videos like this. And it does come with this little bag here. Now you can hear I'm out of breath. And so if you wanted to, you can go ahead, put them in the bag like so. Let's see if we can just do this all in one shot here and just stuff them all in if you want to. You probably can be more organized than I am, but hey, it is what it is. This is reality. This is a real life. And so you just put them in, and then they fit all in there. Like I said, I just leave the blue one on my doorknob. It's got this little string right here, so you can just carry it around. But yeah, I really like these bands. You can hear it in my voice that it actually does give you a nice little bit of a workout. And I highly suggest these.